The overall framework score is essentially the average of all of the map controls that are grouped together. Essentially, we perform an analysis and develop a list of primary and supporting controls, and then we calculate the amount of risk that those controls all grouped together can displace. When we are trying to look across a portfolio and we're using different types of data, like predictive data at different tiers of granularity, then we have to actually normalize for that. So, for example, if we have an attested assessment at a tier 1 level, then we'll apply a lot more value to that fidelity than we would say a lower tier, such as a tier 2, for example, or when we are using predictive data. And so that smoothing allows us to get a unified view across the entire portfolio. This is particularly useful so that companies can have one unit of measure for all of their scoring, comparing, and contrasting across the entire portfolio. This allows you to use one score for whatever your purpose is. If you're trying to understand the third party's coverage of a compliance requirement, or to understand their ability to defend against a particular type of attack, or if you're just using the score to dictate the type of assurance process that should be used at a vendor onboarding, or periodic reassessment, or to determine what type of action you should take when an emerging threat occurs.
To learn more or request a demo, visit cybergrx.com.